Greetings from the WordToSite team. Today, we will talk about the customization magic you have with the platform and how you can control every pixel of your site. In the previous video, we already created our first professional website. We can find it in the Sites menu. Let's open it. It's a nice-looking WordPress site for a cafe. In the bottom right corner, we have an AI assistant. From here, we can go to the Setup Wizard settings, or we can find it in our dashboard. Navigate Setup Wizard, Tools. Here we can enable or disable the AI chat wizard and control its positioning. Also, here we can regenerate the text on the website, images, and even create blog posts. Let's try to disable the chat on the front end. Now, when we go to our website, the chat widget will not appear. Let's go back and enable it again because we will need it later. Also, here we have our setup wizard. We can restart it and run it again. We can change our main settings. Next, we can change our admin's information. On the third screen, we can provide more context about our cafe, so AI can create more precise text for your pages. And on the final screen, we can again regenerate text and images and create additional posts. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Navigate Theme Panel, Theme Dashboard. Here we can control our license, manage add-ons, change skins, install required plugins, and import demo data. AI Wizard reminds us to complete the fourth step of the initial setup, so let's open it and click Finish. This way, the initial setup is considered completed. Now let's go to our front end and check the AI chat assistant. Here we can go to our wizard, show or hide the admin panel, edit the page with Elementor, start a new chat, or close it. Let's ask the AI assistant to change the wording in the first hero section to something catchier. We can ask it via text or by voice using the microphone icon. First, it checks the page, then finds the block, performs the task, and refreshes the page. Great! The text was changed successfully. We can keep chatting with the assistant and ask for additional actions. Also, we can move the chat window around, or simply close the chat window. Now let's open the page with the Elementor Page Builder. In the top left corner, we can go to the site settings. Here we can customize all the global settings of our website, for example, colors. In global colors, we can change the page builder's system colors, add custom colors, or work with the colors provided by the theme for any component type. And the same with other settings like global fonts. We have system fonts from Elementor. We can add our custom fonts, or we can work with the theme's fonts. We can set fonts for any type of text on our pages. Let's go back to the page builder. On the left side, we have a panel with widgets, blocks, texts, images, buttons, dividers, titles, etc. Pay special attention to the advanced widgets with the green labels. Those are the best ones. You can edit every block and element with Elementor. Also, you can add new pre-made blocks to your page using the pre-made library. Currently, it has 500 blocks, but new ones are released every week. In the Atomic tab, we can find blocks created exclusively with the Atomic widgets. And in the Pages tab, we can find the entire pages like About Us, Contacts, our services, our products, portfolio, etc. The library is also equipped with AI search. We just need to describe what we need, and it will immediately search through the library. When we find something interesting, we can preview the block. Then we can add it to our favorite blocks. And finally, we can insert it into the page. In a few seconds, the entire block is on our page. The template library features even more magic with the AI search by image. We need to click the AI filter button, then provide an example of the block we are looking for. We can also control the match percentage to have broader or more precise results. Okay, the AI scanned the example, revealed the layout and elements, and found blocks that match the example. Good, we can close the library for now. Previously, we saw how to generate all the images with AI. Now let's open one of the images on our page. Click Choose the Image. And on the right side, we can find this Regenerate Image button. It warns us that it will completely regenerate it, and we are fine with that. This task was sent to our AI wizard, and it will be performed in the background. We can see the progress log as well. Meanwhile, we can go to our media library and use a bulk select button. Then let's choose multiple images and click Regenerate Selected. Again, it warns us that they will be replaced permanently. These are magical tools that you can use to quickly and easily create a perfect site for your customer or for yourself. All the useful links are provided in the description below. We hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.